Hi everyone. I am super excited to take a break from cutting cardstock for tomorrow's stamp camp to open my new paper pumpkin that just arrived. This is the October Winter Woods paper pumpkin, and it's part of a two set go together. They don't have to go together. You don't need both sets, but they coordinate pretty. It says part 2 will be Winter Wonders. That is available. You can start ordering it today, and deadline is November 10th. Okay, let's take a look at this. Oh, look at this nice big snowflake. I like to grab some white cardstock so you can see them better. Okay, we've got, do I have it upside down? I do. We've got Season's Greetings, Winter Wishes, wishing you a Merry Christmas and a very Happy New Year. Very nice. And then you've got a large snowflake, some snowballs, snowflakes coming down, and a little bird, which is probably going to be a nice red cardinal. Our color is Night of Navy. Ooh, very pretty. Look at these cards. Ooh, I love them already. I can see die-cut birch trees. Super happy. Let's take a look. All right, here are our instructions, and we've got some really pretty cards. Now, it looks like they're all the same card, and that's great, because you know when you send Christmas cards, you're doing them in bulk anyway, so you've got 10 of the same cards. And look at the silver lined envelopes. Let's look at those. The envelopes are lined with some pretty silver. Oh, in the back too. Lovely. Oh, and wood inside. I love when they do the envelopes, I have to say. All right, so that takes care of those items. Then you've got some more wood. This is little banner pieces that look like they go across the bottom. We've got some dimensionals. Why are they always mowing the lawn around here? I'm telling you. Oh my goodness. Okay, this is cool. This is shimmery die cuts. You can see the shine in person. I don't know if you can see it on film, but you've got these birch trees. They pop right out. They're die cut for you. Real easy to do. And some die cut cardinals. And then here are some little tiny snowflakes. How cute. And then these are our card bases. Some more banners. This must be where the sentiment goes. Glue dots, so we get glue dots and dimensionals. And here is the card base. You know, the card base is pretty by itself. Look at that, a nice watercolor wash in the background, and then some trees. And you've got 10 of these to make 10 of these beautiful Christmas cards. So pretty. Now, if you didn't get this one, contact me. I may have some, although I'm sure these are going to go fast. I always... the leaf blower, I'm telling you. He has a mind of when he sees me videoing and he turns on his leaf blower. Anyway, contact me if you didn't get one. Hopefully you can hear me. And let me know, and I might have one extra for you. And if you want the next month's kit, they have already told us that it will coordinate with this, so it'll have a feel of this kit, but it's going to be tags. And I believe it said 24. Yes, 24 over-the-top tags in 4 designs. And 6 of each. So you're going to make 24 tags in 4 designs, and it's going to have a feel of this kit. They're going to coordinate together. They're not going to have to go. You don't need both. So if you missed this one and you still want this one, that's okay. But if you did miss this one, let me know. I may have one. And that is all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that you subscribe to Paper Pumpkin. You can do so at my blog, bestpapercuts.com, and click the little Paper Pumpkin icon on the right sidebar of my blog, or you can head out to my Facebook page, which is Beth Paper Cuts also. Thanks for watching. Bye.